Come on guys, explosive discharge. Test. It's got a beer holder. Oh, sorry. Alright, Chris, how's it going?
Well, Gus, this is the chuffer.
Oh, it's chuffing smoke, look. Oh, wow. What was this used for?
Bonfire night. I'll put some pics now.
Did you like them, guys? I'm not sure if the camera can see me then. I hope you like those pics there.
And here's a video of his face falling off.
Have you got a video of that?
Yeah.
Oh, here's the video. Fucking smoky in there. It's properly
You ready?
thick chuffing smoke, that is.
You ready? How much should we put in?
Do it. Oh, that's chuffy smoke, that is. Nice.
I don't know what it is.
Right, what we've got here, is that a kilowatt spot lamp by any chance, Chris?
It's a 1000 watt spot lamp.
And what, we think that's a ballast? Might
Yeah.
be a ballast, might be a transformer, probably a ballast. Not sure if that's doing it justice, but this is sort of middle of summer sunglass Sprite, I'd say.
Yeah, it's now uncomfortable to look at. Oh. It's flickering quite a lot, isn't it?
Yeah, the camera sees a really bad flicker as well, look. These strobes about the place. Oh, sweet God.
It's heating my leg up quite a lot.
Yeah, I can't see anything, mate. I've just got like an ethereal, smoky haze here. Literally. Good point. We might have our own firework display a bit later.
Well,
We're
maybe we
tempted.
could let out some of these.
Oh, they Chinese lanterns. Do you want to get the fireworks? What you got here, Chris?
The Cosmic Fireworks safety light.
Oh my god. Please.
Dom!
Take.
What? Do you know where I'm going?
No, right.
Chris,
We
you
can't
filming
get-
it? Yep. Do you want to get to it? Yep, I'm just going to hit you, thank you. Yep. Wanker!
I've lost the road. But what's this, really?
Oh shit, that's cool. Explosive discharge, firework it. Oh, it fell over. What happened?
They're not that disappointing.
Don't know.
Oh, great, one of them.
Fuck's sake.
The longest firework.
What if it was a rocket? I put it in the ground upside down.
Oh, that was fucking poo. Oh, what a gay one.
Isn't that flares?
Yeah, this does look a hell of a lot like warning flares.
Do you run now?
Probably.
Is that it?
No, there'll be another stage. Yeah, that went quite well, didn't it? Got a few little jingler janglers. This is a YouTube video of my estate.
Where the peasants live.
Yeah, this is peasants. I mean, look at this peasant house here. Peasant!
Oh my god.